Hey guys, today we're working on the truck, just doing a quick oil change, nothing too crazy. So I've got a 2004 GMC Canyon, check this out. Up here, got our filter up there. I just replaced this like 1,500 miles ago, so the filter is not getting replaced, but it's been a year since I've done my oil, so I'm gonna do the oil. And I don't exactly remember where in the world the oil pan is on this thing. I think it's like, I don't know where it is. Gotta go searching for it. All right, we're all back. We got our gloves, got our 15 millimeter socket for our plug. And I've only driven this like 1,500 miles since I changed it last. But I like to change it once a year at least. And it's kind of warm because I drove it about an hour ago. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Here's hoping. Popped right off nice and easy. We're just gonna let it go. And then hopefully it'll just be a quick and easy fix right here. It's hot, so be a little careful. Got it. Very nice. Let's move this over a little bit. Perfect. All right. I wanted to talk a little bit about motorcycles too. I've been missing my Honda Grom. I don't want to get another Honda Grom because I really didn't like the fact that I was only going like 38 miles an hour up hills, but kind of turned my sights onto scooters. There are some cool scooters out there, just little dinky ones that don't have clutches, just, you know, the V-belt stuff and the automagic, well, I mean, I guess we're committed now, automatic CVT transmissions, so it just magically happens. They're pretty cool. And the coolest thing about them is that they come in, there's so many increments. You can get 125s, you can get 140s, you can get 155s, you can get 160s, you can get 200s. There's a lot of different versions. I have my eye on like a Yamaha SMAX. That looks pretty cool. It's probably not going to get that specific one, but something like that. I think it'd be cool to get like a 150 or 250. I actually rode the SMAX. It was a 2020 Yamaha SMAX. And it actually surprised me because it went up the hill, the same hill that I was going like 36 or 37 miles an hour on my Grom. It was going 53 miles an hour GPS verified, 57 miles an hour on the actual odometer or speedometer. Pretty cool. Looks like we're getting close to the end of that. We're just gonna drain it out. Where's that drain plug? We're literally just gonna drain this out, drain out the oil, and then just put the plug back in and just keep going. Because like I said, we're not gonna swap out the filter this year because I haven't gone anywhere. It's super clean. Last time I did it just for funsies, and I really felt like I didn't need to do it. Anywho, let's tighten this up. Righty-tighty, right? Make sure we're good. See, there goes a little scooter. I'm thinking about breaking my one rule. My one rule is I don't buy carbureted bikes anymore. There are quite a lot of cool carbureted scooters, but I'm considering breaking my one rule, but I don't think I'm going to. Okay, don't dip your rag into the giant oil pan that you just dumped out. That's not good. All right, nice and clean, easy. Now I'll just fill it up with oil and we'll call it a day. The oil of choice today is just Walmart Special, Super Tech, full synthetic, high mileage, 5 weight 30. This truck does call for 5 weight 30. Let's see, this is 2.5 quarts. I had one open. We'll just dump all of this in. I think it takes right around 5 quarts, this particular truck. We shall see. Anyway, I've been really thinking about my Grom a lot since I sold it. I do like it, but man, I must be getting old. I'm 39. Next year I turn 40. But scooters are starting to appeal to me. I think they'd be pretty fun. And now that I've kind of like looked at it, and they actually have a decent amount of power in comparison to the Grom anyway. Like, I was surprised I was going up that hill at 53 miles an hour. I thought it was pretty cool. So it was a 14.8 horsepower, around 15 horsepower. So I think I need about 15 horsepower for me to be happy for like a small engine just to get around town. I think that would be really, really nice. But that's pretty cool. I'm excited. So I'm gonna go try and ride around on some scooters. There's not a whole lot of options here in St. George for scooters anyway. And in this particular economy, they're not moving around very much. Do not forget to put your oil cap back on. I've done that before, and stuff just, you know, gets everywhere, and then your engine starts smoking when it gets hot. So yeah, oil cap, we're good. So there you go. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.